Here's where we're at with this, with the biker build-up. The first thing I'd like to say is, here's what my hypothetical theory is. I've been looking at, Sean, you haven't seen nothing, and I'll tell you why. I think he's a good guy, but I think he's sneaky. And I also think that he's a sore loser, so he'll go to any lengths to do it. Now Craig, right? Nice guy.
Right.
Love him. But you got to watch out for those nice guys.
Yeah.
So I'm a little leery about him. And I'll bet you he's got a lot of skeletons in the closet.
Oh, yeah?
Skeletons in the closet.
Yep.
You know how those guys are?
What is your theory? That's your theory.
That's my theory of my competition. But anyhow, we got this bike. We're 3 weeks late.
Yeah, about. Yeah.
It's about 3 weeks late starting this. But I brought in the heavy artillery over here.
Yep.
And we're going to start on it today. And we'll keep you posted.
What do you think they should do?
Us or them?
Them.
Those guys better
shit their pants with fear, right?
Yeah, shit their pants with fear. I don't. You know what? Like this is like Sean hasn't shown anything yet. Craig, he has snips and snabs or little pieces of what he's doing. I don't know. I don't remember buying. I think he's doing a Harley.
I think so.
Craig, yeah. So I seen a little clip of that. Looked pretty good because he's a good mechanic. But I don't know what the other guy's doing. I don't know what he's up to. I haven't heard from him. It's going to be like, surprise! But we ought to start tearing this thing down. That's the first thing we're going to do is tear it down.
All right.
So bring that metric bike. But we need metric tools. So
Metric.
we're going to need that other toolbox. So I need a 10. Mike, come over here. I can't. Your daddy can't see. Let's do 6.
Right here.
That's a 10. You come here, right here.
Oh, I got it. Ah, mine is in the push.
Put that back. Go with it. Oh, the other side too?
Yeah, you can have the meat. Where's the triangle?
No, just look the edge if I could just get. This hole. Let's take that hole. Got it?
Got it.
Knock that out of there.
Look at that move.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. Stop it.
You anything?
Oh, I think it's garbage now.
What do you see here, Jim?
Right under your right thumb. There's something right there.
1, 2, 3.
What's the hole?
These bolts here, maybe? No.
We have a lot of like really does little work front, right?
So now we have two pieces of plastic we can't get off.
Yep. Yeah.
Keep going. Let's go.
Where's that part? Right?
Out this way.
There we go.
I mean, how else would you do with it? Huh? What?
Shit. I guess there's no other way to really do it. Yeah, we did it the right way.
Right.
Ah.
So, Mikey, you know the story about why we're doing this bike and how it came about?
Not exactly.
Don't.
I don't care. I just want to be done.
Yeah.
No. But what's the story?
I don't know. I figured it'd be good for Paul to bring us back up to speed for those who haven't seen the last videos.
These guys, this guy named Sean,
Is he an enemy? Is he
he's
competition?
not really anymore an enemy too much, but he is competition, so it is actually the enemy then,
Sure.
considered. It's just, that's not coming out, is it? Is it
It
coming
is.
out? Yeah, okay. He was making fun of my bikes.
Okay.
Then he came here.
Uh-huh.
Well, that's what pissed me off.
Made fun of your bikes
That,
and
well,
more.
yeah.
You got
But I challenged them, And he came over here, and we decided to, Craig and Sean, to do the bike build off, and then all the money's gonna go to a charity that we haven't picked yet. So really, for me, that's the best part. You're not doing good, Mike.
No, it's dripping.
When in doubt, rip it out.
All right, give me the screen there. Go ahead. Oh, no. Good. All right, take this off.
Hey, we're taking you guys some lunch.
Yeah.
Okay, so, but I think, Jim, hold on for a second, okay?
We just start cutting shit.
Yeah, let's just cut shit. I mean, we gotta, you know,
Yeah, bring all
gotta
the
go
crap
forward.
front,
Yeah. That might just be nice on that bike, cause it's big.
Right.
We gotta get all this other shit out of here. But yeah, that might be the way to go.
I like it.
All right, let's take that off, no? So I'm pretty happy with everything, the way everything went today,
Mm-hmm.
on a professional level.
Very professional.
But you know what, we got, so, at least, man, that was a nightmare.
That seat was terrible.
Right?
But what if we watch the YouTube,
Watch the video, we've been okay.
But anyhow, I think that for today we're good. Next step, cutting stuff off, mountain fenders, mountain gas tanks, take the front end apart, get rid of all that garbage up there, and subscribe, like, comment, peace out.
Peace out.
One shot, Jesus.
Yeah, I can't remember all those words in a row.
Couldn't get it from the bottom.
Yeah.
Good.